Easy on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tacky.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tacky.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top with these buffoons. I'm so natural, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Airfros and Babyhairs. Today we are going to prepare some baked flounder fillets. I haven't baked any fish in a very long time, so we're going to see how this goes and flows. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I did was defrost the fillets in cold water mixed with vinegar to pull any impurities and toxins out. It only took maybe about 15 to 20 minutes for them to defrost completely. As you can see, these were pretty thin. Anyway, after soaking and defrosting, I rinsed and dried those pieces. Next, grab your baking pan and be sure to coat it if it's not a non-stick pan. I used some olive oil spray on mine. Next, you can place the fillets onto the pan and begin seasoning. Today I used some lemon pepper. I just love lemon pepper on all of my seafood. Don't use too much of the one with high sodium. I usually get the one with less sodium, but this one has a high sodium content. Next, I came in with some smoked paprika because it also tastes so delicious on seafood as well, but don't go too heavy with that either. Next, we use some onion powder. Then we used a little Italian seasoning because it adds a little bit of and a little greenery. Now, you're going to flip those pieces and repeat the seasoning process, except on this step we're going to add some garlic powder and some black pepper as well. Next, we added some butter to help the fish brown, but also helps it to stay moist and tender since we're not using any foil. I also drizzled some olive oil over the top because butter and olive oil is so delicious together. Next, place the fish in the oven on about 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, we will flip them and proceed with the baking for another 8 minutes or so. I do want to mention that you can add lemon slices to your fish if you would like, but for me, the lemon pepper seasoning gets the job done. Plus, I was being lazy and didn't slice any, but you know, this is a no judgment zone over here. But anyway, here are the seasonings I use for the fish. You can pause or rewind if you need to, but these are the ones that I used. Now let's flip those fillets. This was kind of hard, y'all, to film and flip with no cameraman. Anyway, after another 8 minutes, the fillets were done. And next, I got my sides together, which was steamed broccoli and my signature rice. So guys, this is how the fish looks completely done. I just put it back in the oven on warm, just to keep it warm while I finish up on the sides. So yeah guys, like I said before, we're having some steamed broccoli and my signature fried rice. This is some leftover rice because when I make some for that'll last us for like 2 or 3 days, so I'm just warming it back up. But yeah guys, if you try this recipe, let me know what you think. So yeah, hopefully it'll be as good to you as it was for us. But thank you guys so much for watching today. We appreciate your time and energy. We look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The
I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffaloes. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous bitches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so profitable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady, you won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust, and beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Or get all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing. Like it or not, I don't care. You clowns ain't about to worry me, cause I does this for myself, and I'm rapping for my ancestry. Yeah.